Good morning. Today we will discuss about how to manage citation using Smart Referencing System. The tool is Mendeley. Mendeley is the product from Elsewhere that I will come in details while I will be presenting the various aspects. This presentation will be divided into two parts about Mendeley in the first part, and the second part is online live demo. I will try to make you understand about the Mendeley software and how to use it. So this citation, why it is required? It is required to for overcoming the plagiarism issues, just to avoid plagiarism. There are many reasons for which people used to plagiarize. This is a lack of knowledge, lack of writing skill, confusion about how to cite sources. Majority of the researcher, mainly the junior researcher, they do not know how to write the citation sources. And today's webinar will try to clear you how to write the citation in your research paper. Next one is pressure to publish. Sometimes due to career advancement, people used to publish articles, research paper in various journal. Just they don't follow the plagiarism norms. Lack of time and planning, also to influence others, and competition among the fellow colleagues. In July 2018, UGC has come out with the Academic Integrity Regulation circular. There is a very strict circular they have issued. Earlier, the plagiarism percentage, allowable percentage was 20%. Now they have reduced to 10%. So up to 10%, you are allowed to plagiarize if your paper is with 10% similarities. It is allowed, but beyond that, it is not allowed. They have made various kind of level and various kind of punishment level according to the circular. In the circular, they have clearly mentioned that if it is 10 to 40%, your concerned university may cancel your PhD registration or uh, they will defer your submission by 6 months or so. That depends on the university's discussion. And other cases, you just go through with this regulation. It is available in internet in the Gazette of India. Look for the Gazette of India and read it. I hope that every researcher should have this clear idea about this plagiarism, academic integrity regulation. Again, in 20th April 2020, UGC has come out with another circular for academic integrity, that is on self-plagiarism. Self-plagiarism is nothing but if you have already one publication and you are writing the same paper in some other journal by changing the little bit of the wording or making it summarized. Like that way, you are trying to publish your paper in different journal. But UGC said that is not a problem. Problem is you have to give the full citation. So if you are taking any concept from your own publication also, you should give the full citation. So there are various kind of plagiarism. Complete plagiarism, if you copied word to word, that is complete plagiarism. Copy and paste, generally in our daily life we used to do is we used to take some part of the sentence and we just paste it in our research paper, which is not allowed without citation. You can take it, you can copy it, but you have to cite it. Paraphrasing is the changing of grammar, rewriting the sentence or reordering the sentence. So that is called paraphrasing. Self-plagiarism, already I said that UGC has come out with the the self-plagiarism regulation, where they have mentioned that if you are copying anything from your own paper, you have to cite. There are idea plagiarism, there are artistic plagiarism. Nowadays, it's happening mostly. If it is available in textual format or image format, people are doing videos or they are converting into audios or audio videos and they are publishing it. Code plagiarism, it happens from computer scientists because of this computer program is almost same. So people used to copy the somebody's program and they used to write the paper, just changing the example. Translated plagiarism, if you change your original language from to another language, so that comes under that translated plagiarism. For example, suppose you have found any paper in Bengali language, you just convert it into English language and you are trying to publish it. Nowadays, Google citation, Google translation, if you copy Bengali or Hindi or Odia, you just copy, or any South Indian language, you just copy and paste it in Google Translator and translate it into English language, that will be converted into English language. So that is also comes under the plagiarism. There are many cases happened. It's happened to DUVC. He was even to jail for plagiarism. Then Hyderabad University VC. Then the Pondicherry University VC. There are a lot of thousands of cases only from India. You can just go through the Wikipedia and you can just read some of the cases, and please understand the consequences it may happen if anybody does the plagiarism. How to avoid plagiarism now? For plagiarism, avoiding plagiarism, you have to cite the paper. So that is the importance of citation. If you cite, you will be able to overcome the plagiarism. What is citation? Citation is nothing but giving credit to the authors from where you are taking the ideas. Taking idea is not a problem, not an issue, but you have to skip the citation. So when you should use citation, where you should cite? If you take word to word, if you take any quote, if you paraphrase any sentence, or if you take any somebody's idea, or if you take any other person work for developing your own paper or own ideas, you should cite it. So just to give one idea to the young researcher, I will show you how this citation appears in a research paper. Just click on it. This research paper, I'm trying to give you one insight about how this citation get represented in the research paper. Suppose you see 1, 2, 3. 2, 3 means what? This fellow have taken idea from two paper. So you may take help of multiple papers for writing one sentence. That is, you have to, in that case, you have to give all those paper citation. You see, in this full paper, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, like this way it appears. And what does it mean? The meaning is the bibliography, the serial number of this bibliography. So at the end of the paper, you will find one section that is a very important section. Without references, if you do not give any references, 90% chance of rejection of your paper. So you should keep the reference at the end with proper citation in proper place. So there are many citation styles that depending of the requirement of the journal, wherever you want to send. If you are sending any, if you want to publish any of your research paper in the IEEE publication, so IEEE follow their own style, that is called IEEE style. So you have to write the citation according to the IEEE style. If you do not write the citation according to the IEEE style, they will reject your paper state card. The mostly used circulation style is APA style. Those who are from humanities and social science. Mostly the journals prefer it MLS style. There are another one style is Vancouver style, but everything depends on the requirement of that particular journal. Please read the publishing guide, then only you will be able to know the expectation of that publisher. Otherwise, people will, your paper may get rejected. So, how to write this citation? Citation, you can take the ideas from a book, you can take the ideas from one conference proceedings, conference paper, you can take the concept from any journal article, or you may take the concept from any website. So, if you take the idea from a book, how to write it? You have to write first name as surname first, then the first name, then the comma, then second author surname, second author first name, ampersand, and if it is third author, you have to write the third author surname and the third author first name. Then the year of publication, then the title of the book, and the place of publication, and name of the publisher. So if you are taking any idea from website, you have to give this citation in this type of style. So what is this? Here it contains the URL of that particular website and the date of retrieval. Because majority of the website URLs are dynamic. Today it is available, tomorrow it may not be available. That is why you have to give the date of retrieval. Here, when you are taking the idea from journal articles, again you have to follow the same strategy like book, but here uh, a little bit you have to follow the norms. If it is written by single author, you have to write the first author surname, then the first author first name, then the publication of that journal, particular issue, then the title of that paper. If any subtitle you have to give after the colon, then the name of the journal in italics, then the volume number, then the issue number within the bracket, then the pagination, then the DOI. It's a digital object identifier if it is available, but this is not so much compulsory. So nowadays there are many referencing tools available freely and both with subscription. Mendeley comes in both the module, free version and the subscription version. Mendeley free version, it will give you 2 GB of server space, and if you are subscriber, you will get the unlimited space. EndNote, it comes freely with the Web of Science subscription. As Pilani is having the Web of Science subscription, you will be able to use EndNote online version. But for your information, we have 2-3 licenses for this desktop version. So if you want to use your desktop version, you may collect the user ID and password, but that will be issued to you temporary. During your research time, you can use it, and then again you have to it will reset the password. So you will not get the access. But if you use the online version of the EndNote, you can use it. The strategy is both the desktop and the online version is almost same. Jotaro is another one citation referencing tool available freely. So now coming to the Mendeley. This workshop is based on Mendeley. We find that Mendeley is one of the best software today and best and easy software. You can easily handle it. So already I said that Mendeley is from Elsevier. It is a free referencing manager tool. What it will help you to write the citation. It will help you to manage the citation. It will help you to edit the citation. You can share the article. You can annotate. You can cite your research paper. So there are many things you can do using Mendeley. You can collect the references from the web, you can collect the references from databases, you can generate the citation automatically, you can cite the bibliographies within a second, you can read, annotate, You can collaborate, you can import paper from some other researcher, some other databases, some other referencing tool. You can find relevant paper from Mendeley itself. You can access it from anywhere at any time because Mendeley supports both browser mode and it is available in the smartphone, both in iOS and the Android platform. So here in Mendeley, how you can create your database using the drag and drop file facility. You can create a watch folder. Watch folder is in our day-to-day life. Generally, what we do, we create a folder inside our drive, and we keep our relevant paper even folder wise, or we keep the file in the root. Okay, here the Mendeley, the one provision is there. If you show that path to Mendeley, automatically Mendeley will import your paper inside the Mendeley database. There is a tool called Web Importer. You can directly import the paper inside the Mendeley. You don't have to download the paper in a folder and you have to bring it. You can directly bring your data from Web Importer. Advantage of using Mendeley is you can integrate the citation very easily. You can change the citation style at any point of time. You can edit the citation at any point of time, and you can one-click bibliography you can generate. So there are few steps you have to follow. You have to register your name using your this mendeley.com site. Please visit mendeley.com site. After that, create your own profile using your official mail ID. Then you download the Mendeley desktop application and install it in your laptop or desktop. Immediately after installation, you have to install two more plugin, that is Web Importer and MS Word plugin. So this is the screen for when you are first time visiting the Mendeley desktop. It will ask you to create a free account. Click on this. Immediately after clicking on this, so you will be getting asking to write your email ID for registration. Please use the official mail ID, and after that, please continue. And after continuation, your machine will ask you for writing your name and family name inside this form and give your password. Password is a 8-digit password you have to give. It should contain the uppercase and one symbol. Then after that, please register it. And once registered, you have to write the current role and the field of study. Field of study is nothing but your research area. You can select multiple research area in this Mendeley platform. This is the screen for the downloading the Mendeley desktop application. It both support Mac OS, it supports Linux, and as well as common version is Windows. So immediately after installation, you will be getting this window where you can write. You can just click on install now. Thus, MS Word plugin will get generated. Will be installed in your laptop, and then close it. Immediately after closing it, the desktop application will be ready. These two screen is just for your information. The top one is a browser mode window and bottom one is the desktop window. So once you install the Mendeley desktop version, you'll see this kind of icon at your desktop. This is the Mendeley desktop icon. And this is the Mendeley desktop dashboard. I will not give you detail here in the presentation. I am coming to online demo. In the online demo, Quickly, I will show you how to import file, how to add the file, how to install the MS Word plugin, and how to write the bibliographies and the citation in your research paper. So please allow me 1 minute time for coming into the platform. So in the during my presentation already, I said that when you visit Mendeley, you just type mendeley.com. It will ask you to create your free account. I will forward you the presentation. Please follow those 2-3 screen. So after creating your profile, you create on sign in. The machine will ask your email ID and password. Please type that and sign in. So this is your online dashboard. After clicking this, it will ask you to download Mendeley. If you download Mendeley means download the Mendeley desktop version. So this one is a download now for Windows. And if you are using some other platform OS, that is Mac or any Linux version, you just click on this and system will get installed in your laptop. This will be your online library. Whatever work you do, that will be available in your desktop online version. Whatever the citation you are using for your research work will be available in this dashboard. So I am going to desktop application. Mostly you have to use Mendeley desktop application. So this is the desktop icon. Once you click, so this will appear, this dashboard will appear for you. This is the login. This login and online login should be same. Now I will start importing the file. First step is you have to create Mendeley citation database. That means whatever the paper, research paper, or any books you are referring, you have to input inside this Mendeley desktop, Mendeley dashboard. So now I'll show you how to build your database. Create, if you click on file, you'll see add files, add folders, watch folder, add entry manually. You can enter the entry manually also. You can import the things. You can import the data from other sources, other reference tools, or any other databases. So first I will show you how to add files. Before that, I will just quickly, I am going to tools. Here you have to install web importer and the MS Word plugin. MS Word plugin means if you open your MS Word, if you click on install, you will find under reference this Mendeley Cytomatic. Using this part, you have to cite the paper. You have to insert the bibliography. You can change the style of this particular citation style. Then you can generate the bibliography. You can edit the citation from here itself. So please remember, once you install your MS Word plugin, you will be getting this part Mendeley Automatic. I'm coming back to Mendeley. First, I will show you how to add files from a folder. I have some file in my Mendeley folder. I am just importing. Suppose I am selecting 2 articles here. So one article got downloaded. So again, I am trying to download, import another one. So it is imported. Like this way, you have to add files. Now, in this add file, you can drag and drop also. You can just bring the folder here and leave it. All the files will be coming automatically here along with the PDF. This stores everything. See, this stores the title of the article, this stores the year of publication, published in which journals, and the date of edition in this Mendeley database. And if you click on any citation, it will show you details. The about the paper, abstract of the paper, and you can read the paper clicking on this PDF icon. This is the drag and drop facility and the add folders. Now I was telling you about the watch folder. If you create a folder in your desktop or in your drive, I have created one folder inside my drive where I have mentioned my research paper. I used to keep all my research paper in this folder. So what I will do is, just to reduce my work, I will click on, this is a one-time job, just click on watch folder, go to that particular folder and select that folder and click on that particular folder and apply it. Once you apply, all the paper will be imported here. Now you sync it. This is the sync button for updating your data. So all the paper from watch folder automatically, if you click on this synchronize button, all the documents will be coming in this Mendeley dashboard. So another way is add folders. You can create folder here. This is the total dashboard where all the records will be available. But if you want to organize your data properly, so you can create a folder. If I assume that you are doing research on nuclear physics, so you create one folder called nuclear physics. If you are doing research on petroleum refining, if you are researching on IoT, you can just create one folder called IoT. Like this way, in number of folder you can create. This will help you to organize the paper in proper manner. So I hope everybody is clear how to add files, how to add folder, how to create watch folder. Now if you want to enter manually, sometimes if you get one article which is not available in internet for import, you can just write the details here. If I say IoT and overview, author name I can write I can write the name of the journal, Journal of Computer Science. Year is 2021. Volume, if I say volume 23, issue number is 8, page number is 5 to 8. Then you may write the abstract. Then you save it. This data will be appearing under this, under your dashboard. Now I will show you how to import data in your Mendeley dashboard. So once we import, if you have pip.pip file, pip text file, you can just click on pip text file and select the pip text file from your available sources. I have two files here. I'm selecting one and importing. I have selected artificial intelligence folder, so it is showing under artificial intelligence. Now I am selecting another one folder. I am importing again another type of file, that is .ris file, and importing it. Again, I am selecting that file, just clicking on open. So all these data are getting imported inside these folders. The beauty is quickly you will be able to find your relevant research papers. That is why if you create the folders, that will help you to save your time. And in the all document, all the data available here, including the inside the folders, all will be coming in this part. Okay. So this is about the importing files. I have another job, that is how to import, how to create a database, how to import the file from a database automatically. If I visit sciencedirect.com, you are searching on petroleum refining. You are doing research on petroleum refining. Just write petroleum refining and search. What I am trying to show is I will import through this web importer. This is the icon for importing the data automatically from website. In our day-to-day life, what we do, we search, then we check the relevant papers. Click on this. If you want to download this article, again, this may be relevant for my work. Like this way, we select the articles and we download it. The same as in Mendeley. And in our conventional life, what you do is we just click on download PDF and we download it. We are requesting you, we're suggesting you that you may avoid this step. You just click on this button. Automatically, whatever the data is showing here, it will be coming here. Okay. Now, you select the papers. If I select 2-3 papers, I can import it. Automatically, the paper will be downloaded inside the Mendeley desktop. But please remember, if we have the subscription, then only the full paper will be getting downloaded. Otherwise, only the bibliographical source will be downloaded. Now click on Mendeley. After clicking this, all the paper will be under your desktop. and immediately it will not come. You have to click on sync button. Now, those who are pharmacy specialist or those who are working in the medicine medical field, for them, PubMed is another one very good important site. They frequently visit PubMed site. If you are looking for a article on coronavirus or COVID-19, you just type COVID-19 and type it. Now, if you want to download the article, just click on this icon. All these article will be showing here. If you want to copy these articles, if you want to keep this article in a particular folder, select that particular folder. If I assume that I want to keep it under this nuclear physics folder, you just select this nuclear physics folder and select all, or you may select as per your choice and click on add option. All the files along with the PDF will be appearing here. Just you have to click on sync button. So these are the major steps for developing your Mendeley citation database. Our suggestion is whenever you are coming across any paper, if it is found good, if it is useful for your research, please import it inside the Mendeley database. Another one important database, I will show you how to import data from Scopus. We are the subscriber of Scopus database. We are also the subscriber of Web of Science. You can import the citation from these databases. If I am looking for articles on nuclear physics, just type the nuclear physics and search. So it has picked up 68,000 of records. You can reduce the record by selecting the options. If you want to select only these 2 years publication, you just select it and click on limit to. So you will be able to reduce your search result. Now you can download all this citation in different format. You can download in CSV format, that is in Excel format. You can download it using BibTeX format. You can download it using RIS format. You can download directly inside the Mendeley. If I click on download inside the Mendeley, it will just click on download and export it. Automatically, it will go into your Mendeley desktop database. And if you want to download the BibTeX file, you just click on these options and export the data. So Scopus allow you to download only 2000 record at a time. Otherwise, you will get your report, whole report through your mail. That will take little bit time. It takes 1 or 2 hours time for sending that report. That LCware will send you the total citation record you are looking for download. Otherwise, up to 2000 you can download. Just for example, I am selecting the one page which contains only 20 articles and showing it to you. Again, I am clicking on BibTeX file. I am importing it. So the file got downloaded here. I am importing the data inside this nuclear physics folder. I have selected the folder. Now I am importing the data. So all this data has come inside. Now the last task is to add the citation in your research paper. That is our main objective. This is my research paper. In during presentation, I said if you take any idea from any author, please acknowledge it. The way of acknowledgement is by providing the proper citation. So how to do it? If you assume that I have taken some idea for writing this part, this sentence, you just place your icon here and click on Insert Citation. Then go to Mendeley. This is the all documents also you can select, or if you are organized, if you are writing the articles on a particular field. So if I take artificial intelligence folder, now I am inserting this article. If I assume that okay, this article I have used for writing that part, just select that particular article and click on double inverted comma. Then see that automatically the citation got added here. Again, if I assume I have taken some ideas I have referred 2-3 articles for writing only this part. Again, you click on this and insert citation. Go to Mendeley. You just select 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever you like. That depends on your choice, your research work. If you have used ideas from multiple research paper, you select all the article. This is nothing. How to select? Control and uh, left hand mouse key. So if you click on it, then select again, and also automatically the citation get added here. Again, I am putting some kind of citation here. You see that quotation. If you take any idea, word to word, you should quote it, and you should put the citation here. Again, I am selecting these two articles for citing. Okay. Again, I have taken some idea from here. Please see it properly, then only you will be understand how to select and how to insert citation, because this is your main job. So 4 article I have selected and I'm clicking on again citation. So it's got added quickly. Now my last work is, during my presentation, I was just showing on paper how to write the references. So write the heading as references, then click on Insert Bibliography. So automatically, all the bibliography as per the required style, requirement of that particular style, it has come. This is according to the APA style. Okay, APA style, how the citation inside the article it looks like? It looks like surname and the publication year of that particular article. Surname and the particular publication year of that particular article. Full editing, inserting your citation. If you want to edit particular citation, or if you want to change the citation style, you can select from here and you can change it to another style. All these citation, it will get changed and it will take effect of the particular citation style requirement. I can check and you can see, you can test it. Earlier it was Thakur year of publication, now it is 1, and you can as well as you can see the bibliography. I will show you how to edit the citation. After putting the citation, you it is may required to edit it. For editing, if you think that okay, this is not required for this is not relevant for me, what you can do is you can edit it. But if you use your delete key from your laptop or desktop, it will not get deleted. That is why you have to select it. Earlier, please observe, earlier it was insert citation. Immediately after clicking on this, it becomes edit citation. So click on edit citation. Now you can delete it. Please delete up to semicolon portion, otherwise false bibliography will be getting generated. Right? Again, I am editing it. I want to add one more author here. Just I am selecting this one and clicking on this. Sure. Go to Mendeley and select the new articles and click on this. So you can add the citation like this way. You can edit the citation in this manner. I am showing you another example. If you want to delete this fellow's name, this author's name, you can delete it. Just select, just click on this, click on edit citation and delete the author name and delete it. If you want to add anybody's name here, that is also you can add. I'll just search the author name and I'm just selecting my name and clicking on OK. This is Thakur 2021 got added and it's also added it here. Like this way, you can edit, you can delete the earlier citation, you can add the new citation there. So I hope everybody understand how to write the citation and how to write the bibliographies in proper manner. So the last part is how to change, how to get more citation style. By default, it will show you around 10 citation style inside MS Word. But if you want more citation style, what you have to do? Just click on more style. It will take you the Mendeley desktop already installed. If you have already installed it, it will show you in this window. If you want to get more style other than that, so also you will be able to find that. You just click on this. And if you want to select or install this Academy of Management journal, now it is asking for install. You click on install. Or if you want to install this SCI structural journal, if you want to publish any article in SCI structural journal, you have to follow their particular style, SCI structural journal style. And now click on install. So it is installed and done. After that, what you have to do, you have to click on get more citation style. Citation style. Again, you go there, more style. I have added this and use this style. After installation, you have to use this style. Once again, I am showing it. Once you use this site, you will find this thing here. Still, it has not come, I think. Is it? That depends on the network speed also it happens. It is totally connected with the internet connection. That is why you have to get some kind. This is structural, ACI structural I have added and it has appeared now. I want to select earlier APA style to ACI structural style. So it got changed like this way. And your bibliography also got generated automatically. I am going once again to the Mendeley titles and style change format. Click on more style. Look for the style already available. If it is already available here, you can just use this style and click on done. So automatically it will change here and immediately your citation will get changed according to the requirement of the particular citation style. If you want to change more, just click on more style. Now you see Mendeley, it is already installed citation styles are available here. If you want to get more style, please you may search citation style from here, Journal of Computational Fluid Dynamics. If you are looking for, they have particular citation style. Majority of the journal, those journal needs their specific citation style already available here. Click on install. Just check whether you have installed it or not. International Journal of Computational Fluid Dynamics. Use this style and open your word. But depends on your internet speed. The step is for inserting mic, changing the style is click on my more style because I am showing it number of time because this is your very important part and you may have to change the citation style according to the requirement. First, look for the installed citation style. If it is already installed, click on use this style. If it is not in this list, get more style. Look for the style you are looking for and I'm looking for International Journal of Computer Vision. Click on it and install it. So now it is showing installed. You go and see the installed option. Select the particular style and use this style. So immediately if you click use this style, automatically will style get changed. So I have finished my presentation and the demo. In future, if you face any problem, you are welcome to visit our library or you may call us for any help you are facing any problem. You are welcome to visit library. You can come to me or you can come to Dr. Isappa for necessary help. But when you will be coming, please come up with your laptop so that we can instantly solve your problem in front of you. So thank you for attending this webinar. In future also, we will be conducting many workshops like this. Our main objective is to ease out your research work activity with our minimum help. or minimum capacity. Thank you. On behalf of library, I thank you to all for attending the webinar.